Today we will be testing the consecutive momentum indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the consecutive momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 852 indicators, with 353 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 53 of the winning indicators. 19 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, with the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the consecutive momentum indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Did go in and make a couple visual changes to this, and so let's go ahead and take a look at those. So on the consecutive bars up here, I changed the setting here from histogram to columns. On the consecutive bars down, same thing, changed them to columns, and I actually, nope, just changed them to columns there. And then on the max consecutive up bars there, I went in, turned the opacity to 100, and changed the weight to this one right here, bumped it up just a couple there. Same thing with the max consecutive bars down. I bumped up the line weight of it and moved the opacity to 100% there. And so that gives us what we're looking at here. Again, just visual changes, didn't actually change any of the settings. Other than that, everything else is on default. And so the setup on this is what we're looking for is going to be, we're really paying attention to, sorry, I guess we can turn those off and make this a tad bit easier there. All right, let me get these words out here. So what we're looking for is going to be the bars that touch this green upper band here, or the bars that touch this lower kind of purplish pink colored band here at the bottom. And so you can see that we get obviously bars that are just kind of bouncing around there, but then we get the spikes here that come down and actually touch the lower band, or the spikes that come up and touch that upper band. And so when we get a touch of the upper band, that's going to be a signal to then go long. When we get a touch of the lower band, that's going to be a signal to then go short. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal is going to be a long signal. You can see that we get that spike in the green bar right there. Comes up and touches this upper green band right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward just a little bit. Looks like we get a decent little pullback here. It is not enough to come down and stop us out before we then, excuse me, before we then kind of roll and make that push back to the upside there. That push to the upside there is going to get us to our take profit. Looks like we may have picked up another, picked up another long signal right here on this one. Let's go ahead and play this forward just a little bit, see what happens with it. Looks like we might get stopped out on that one. Let's go ahead and measure it out. Yep, that one does stop us out. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up a short signal right here on this one. We get that spike to the downside there, and you can see the red bar poking through that bottom line right there. And you can see that we get a really decent, nice push to the downside there. That does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Price action back in the screen there. All right, then we pick up another long signal right here on this one. Again, that spike to the upside there. That green bar comes up and touches that upper green band right there. You see we get a little bit of a pullback and then a nice push to the upside. Once again, getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and let's go ahead and finish out the year. Looks like we're pretty much right here. All right, another spike to the upside there, long signal, and another nice move to the upside is going to get us to our take profit once again. And then we pick up one last short signal right there. Looks like we don't quite get stopped out. It gets really close to our stop, but doesn't quite hit our stop right there before we then get a push to the downside, and that one also gets us to our take profit. So before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. You are welcome to join and take part of the conversations in most of these channels. We do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, just really great chart analysis and really helping people out to understand kind of how to mark up their charts and what to look for. We also have our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading. I don't see a post from him right offhand, but he's helping everybody out with indicators, really helping people to understand the indicators and some of his indicators. So he has a few indicators that he has created of his own. Some are paid, some are free. All of them are really cool, great indicators. And he goes above and beyond to really help people out to understand how to utilize those indicators, strategies to use them, and ways that you can implement them in your trading system. And he's going above and beyond to really help to update those on a regular basis and really kind of constantly tweaking them and optimizing them as best he can. And all in all, we just have a wonderful group of people who are posting their trades, trade profits that they have taken, playing around with kind of small tests, and people who are just developing their trading strategies. We are helping them out with just advice and information, support. Everybody's great in this channel here with supporting each other and helping everybody grow and become better traders. So all right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll us back some. So we have, let's see, let's do this, drop that down there. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 trades altogether, so definitely wish we had more trades within the 1 year's time, but that's all right. And you can see, obviously, out of those 6 trades, we have 5 winning trades, and so that is definitely going to get us to our 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so an interesting indicator, it looked like it was calling signals at some pretty decent times, catching those pretty decent momentum moves there. Some signals were a little delayed, but I mean, we got 5 winning trades out of the 6 trades of the year, and so that's not too bad at all. So this one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.